In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a user story in Jira. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to fill in the key details so your story is ready for your team to work on. First, open Jira and head to your personal For You page. This is often the starting point Jira provides when you log in, and it gives you quick access to your recent projects. From here, we want to navigate into the project where we'll create the story. Look for the project card or link for your Kanban project and click into it. In this example, it's a Kanban space, but the process is similar for most software projects. Once you're inside the project, open the board or view where you usually manage work. You may see options to add or configure work types. Click the option to add a work type if stories aren't already visible. A panel will appear listing different issue types. Select Stories, which are used to track functionality or features expressed as user goals, and then confirm by clicking Add. This makes sure Story is available as a type on your board. Next, go to your To-Do column or list view where new items are created. Start a new issue and choose the story type if it's not selected automatically. Give your story a clear, concise title that explains the user goal at a glance. In the description area, you can type more detail. This is a good place to use a standard format like, as a user, I want goals so that benefit. You can also use the Atlassian Intelligence Helper or mention teammates with the @ symbol if you need input. Now set the context for this story. Choose a parent epic if your team uses epics to group related work, and make sure the story is associated with the correct project and board. You can also adjust fields such as priority or any custom fields your team relies on. Next, add scheduling information. Open the Start Date field and choose the planned start date from the calendar. This helps your team schedule work more realistically and see when the story is intended to begin. Confirm the date selection and close the calendar. When you're happy with the title, description, parent, and dates, click Create. Jira will save your new user story and add it to your project. To verify everything looks right, switch to the board or list view for the project, find the newly created story in the To-Do section, and open it. Review the details and make any final edits you need. That's the full process for creating a user story in Jira, from enabling the work type through to confirming it on your board.